When I'm cooking on the grill, I like to sing the tong song. Hey Team Chloe, grilling is one of my favorite cooking methods. I really just think everything tastes better grilled, from fruits and veggies to burgers and even pizza. But nobody starts off as a barbecue master, so here are my tips so that you can gain some confidence at the grill. Tip number 1, clean the grill before you start. Think of it this way, you wouldn't cook food in a pan you hadn't washed, so why cook a meal on a grill that you haven't cleaned? A dirty grill can lead to cross-contamination, flare-ups, and overcooking your food. Tip number 2, know your zones. 2-zone grilling is one of those barbecue skills that can completely change your grilling game. By having one side of your grill direct heat and the other side indirect, you can control how hot and how fast your food cooks. Direct heat is perfect for searing, quick cooking vegetables, or whatever you want to cook over a high heat. Indirect heat is not over the direct flame, but still provides plenty of heat to cook the food. It's great when you want to evenly cook steak or perfectly cooked chicken breasts. Tip number 3, know your temperatures. Poking and squeezing meats to see if they're done can release juices, which can cause flare-ups. So instead, invest in one of these, a food thermometer. That way you can ensure your food is cooked safely and exactly how you want it. Here's the internal temperature for each food category. Chicken and turkey, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Fish, beef, and pork, 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And eggs, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Tip number 4, grill the unexpected. The grill isn't just for hot dogs and hamburgers. How about lasagna, or dessert pizza, or salad? Check out the WW app for all of the recipes and get creative. And tip number 5, practice. Don't worry if you burn a few steaks. Mistakes happen. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel in your new cooking skills. Happy grilling, team.